Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will do human respiratory system. The respiratory system of human beings consists of the following parts. One is the external nostrils. These are the external openings through which air is drawn into the nasal cavity. Next is nasal cavity. The cavity present in the nasal passage is called nasal cavity. It is separated from the oral cavity by a bony palate so that breathing continues while eating. Next is trachea. Nasal cavities end in the internal nostrils through which air enters the pharynx. The pharynx leads into a windpipe called trachea through an opening called glottis. Trachea is supported by rings of cartilage which prevent it from collapsing. Next is lungs. There is a pair of lungs attached to the trachea or the windpipe. Trachea divides into two smaller tubes called bronchi. Each bronchus enters the main respiratory organ, lung of its side, where they branch into smaller bronchi, which divide further into still smaller tubes called bronchioles. The bronchioles end in tiny air spaces composed of alveoli. An air sac gives the appearance of a bunch of grapes, and an individual alveolus is like a single grape but hollow within. This is a picture. Lungs are present in the chest cavity and look like pink spongy structures. They are pink because they contain many tiny capillaries filled with blood and look like sponges. Because they are full of air spaces, the alveoli in close contact with capillaries provide a mechanism for efficient exchange of gases in the lungs. The lungs are surrounded and protected by the ribs on the sides. A large dome-shaped muscles diaphragm forms the floor of the chest cavity. These are the some facts sheet that mucus makes the inhaled air moist and also trap the dust. Blood circulation in nasal cavity helps in warming or cooling the inhaled air. Okay, have you ever wondered why do we sneeze? Sneezing is the body's way of removing an irritant from the sensitive mucous membrane of the nose by violent exhalation. When foreign particles or a cold blast of air irritate these membranes, we sneeze to remove them involuntarily. Okay, today up to this much. Till then, bye.